We have a couple of ways that allow us to take screenshot on the Motorola Moto G56. The main one is, of course, the buttons shortcut. So what you can do is you can press the power button and volume down button at the same time. If you do so, you will immediately take the screenshot. Another way to take a screenshot is by using the 3-finger gesture. So with 3 fingers you can touch the screen and hold for a second in order to capture a screenshot like this. Of course, this gesture can be enabled or disabled, so you want to go to settings, open the gestures, and then over here we have 3-finger screenshots, which can be of course toggled. Besides that, we can also set up a tap back gesture. So if you open quick launch and if you turn it on, you can go to settings in order to make sure that take screenshot option is selected. And after that you can double tap the back of the phone. Usually I tap somewhere over here. So if we just double tap, we should be able to take a screenshot like this. Now, in addition to these methods, there are 2 additional ones. And the first one that I want to show you now is the control center button. So if we go to control center, somewhere over here you should be able to find the screenshot button. So you can tap on it in order to make the control center disappear, and the phone will take a screenshot after that. And the other method is a button in background apps. So if you have any app opened, then you can take the screenshot by going to background apps, and then over here below the preview we have this button that allows us to take the screenshot of the opened app over here. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.